Assalamu alaikum. From today we are going to start our Adobe Illustrator tutorial specially for surface pattern designers. Today's question is, what makes Adobe Illustrator so unique? So, supposedly if I take any object. This is an object of a leaf. I made it. If you zoom it very closely, you will not see any pixels. It's so clear. See, it's so clear. Now, what we need to do, we have to understand that Adobe Illustrator power is that it makes vectors. And if we think about the opposite sides, if I zoom this picture, it has pixels. And most of the time, you see, this we didn't see in the vector image. It was not pixelated. It doesn't lose its speciality. See, there are squares over here, everywhere, dot per inch. So in Adobe Illustrator gives us the power to make any object into vector element. Supposedly, if we draw anything on Adobe Illustrator, like suppose if I'm making a house here, sorry, it's dotted right now, but I will correct it, of course. Suppose if I'm making with a line, give it a color. This will also be a vector, not pixelated. If we zoom this, it is not pixelated at all. Very closely. See, it's very, very thick also, and it's not pixelated. Suppose if you are walking around and you just like any motif or element, you can take a picture, you take a photo of that particular element. Like if I have any element like this, I made a picture of a purse. If you look closely, it's not pixelated if I hide the edges. See, it has no dot per inch picture. So this is the power of Adobe Illustrator. These are all vector images. This I will tell you the secret, how do we make these drawings and turn into vector images. See, this one also. And especially the one who are not pixelated, they are shown like this. And the JPEG images and the PNG images are all like, look, this the fingerprint, I just scanned it. It's all not vector. I will tell you later how to turn it into a vector. So today we have learned what is the difference between the the difference between the vector image and the pixelated image. Next time I'll tell you another shot in the video that how to set up a new document in Adobe Illustrator. So stay tuned.